Hello everyone, this is Bharatas from Welltech iTech, Dr. Rangarajan and Dr. Sandra Engineering College from Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Our project title is Smart Glove Translate Sign Languages in Real Time. Our team members are Mohammed Anas and Karthik. Our project guide is PSCB, Assistant Professor in Department of ECE.
So this is our project abstract. India's population consists of a large portion of deaf and dumb persons. As a result, the system is developing a glove-based device for converting American Sign Language to speech. The basic system is divided into two parts: recognition of sign language and conversion to text followed by voice. The sign language glove is made up of basic angles with IR sensors that detects infrared radiation in its environment and output as an electric signal. Our project introductions are the sign language is natural for normal and deaf individuals to communicate. The majority of sign language is based on the hand gestures recognitions. It might be difficult for ordinary people to notice signals and knowledge what they are trying to express. As a result, the glove proposes to make the life of the deaf and dumb people easier. Using NodeMCU as the system's brain, the glove transforms precise movements to text and ultimately to speech. The system, which is attached to the gloves, uses IR sensors to turn gestures into precisions, which then converted to text using a NodeMCU. Objective. The aim of the project is to develop a hand glove equipped with sensors such as IR sensors and the accelerometer, which sends different sign language gestures. IR sensors are placed on fingers, and infrared detector is a detector that reacts to infrared radiation. The two main types of detection in IR sensors are thermal and photonic. An accelerometer is placed on the finger, which measures the location of the hand in XYZ axis. First, sensors were simulated to extract the sensed data. Second, the sensed data from sensor is sent to NodeMCU for further processing and transfer data to an Android phone via Bluetooth module, which was built-in Wi-Fi module. Data will be in the format of text. This text is then converted into speech through mobile Android app. These are the base paper we analyzed for our project. The existing system. There are various methods used for sign language recognition. Some of the popular ones are computer vision based approaches, hand gestures recognition, motion tracking. The proposed system. We have been working on a glove that can instantly translate American Sign Language into voice text. The fingertips of the gloves are equipped with small IR sensors. Accelerometer is placed in the finger of the glove. Through IR sensor and accelerometer, those sensors can detect finger location and motion. Through NodeMCU, the sensory electrical signal is sent to the smartphone. Our project is completely wireless and includes hand sign symbols and voice tips for user convenience. This is the block diagram of our project. Block diagram will explained by Mohammed Anas.
Going to explain block diagram. We connect the IR sensors and accelerometer to the NodeMCU microcontroller. The sensors are properly powered and connect to the appropriate pins on the NodeMCU. NodeMCU that reads signals from IR sensors and accelerometer combines these signals into a signal data packet or message. Use the built-in Wi-Fi capabilities of the NodeMCU to establish a wireless connection to the mobile phone. On the mobile phone, there is a pre-programmed app specifically designed for this project. This app is already installed and running on the phone, waiting to receive a signal from the node MCU. Then, app then compares the received signals with the pre-programmed gestures or patterns that have been defined for each alphabet or word, text and audio output. If the received signal matches one of the pre-programmed gestures or patterns, the app generates the corresponding text representations of the alphabet or word. These are the signs. Hand sign of A. Begin with your hand open, fingers extended and together. Bend your thumb inward, bringing it across your palm and touching the base of your pinky finger. The hand sign of the letter B in sign language is typically formed by making a fist with your hand and extending your thumb straight up. Results and conclusion will be explained by our team Karthik.
Thank you, Anas. Conclusion: those who are blind, deaf, and dumb, they can converse with us one of another using this method. Those who are dumb, communication in the language that is difficult for the blind and illiterate people to grasp. To add that deaf and sign language is translated into the right form. These words are displayed on computer screen. Those who are dumb must be lead. Will utilizing it to watch how the blinds and deaf move their hands. The system translates the motion and into text, which is subsequently translated into voice. The person has been scheduled including to the text system so the people can still read and comprise what the other person is attempting to say even if they're unable to hear the sound emitted owing to this imitation. This is a reference of our papers.
This is our journal we published in European Chemical Bulletin, and this is our certificates get from Sri Venkateswara Engineering College.
Thank you.
For giving this opportunity to do this project. Sincerely thanks to our project guide PS Divya and the Department of PC, and thanks to our